the category table, we have 4 columns.
So now you will show the difference between
Yeah.
categorical table and the group frequency distribution table.
We have class and tally and frequency and percentage. The class you choose it from the
Yes. You represent the categories.
from the tally.
No. The categorical table consists of 4 columns, as we said: class, tally, frequency, and percentage.
Yeah.
The class column represents the categories.
Yeah. Category.
Okay.
And the tally, you count the number of
The frequency of each item.
yeah. And the percentage, you divide the frequency over the total multiplied by 100.
Okay, perfect. This is the categorical frequency distribution table. Okay. The second type of tables.
And the group table, we have
You can use the projector.
five columns. The first column is class limit.
Why we call it class limits?
Because we have the lowest value and the upper value.
Because in the group frequency distribution table, we divide the data into groups.
Yeah.
So in each group, you have to write the lower limit and the upper limit, right? So that's why we call it class limits, not only class. Perfect. Thank you.
And the class boundaries
How can we find the class boundaries?
from the graph.
To fix the graph, okay,
Yeah.
but in the table, how can we find it?
We find it between the upper class and the lowest.
Is it right?
No.
You. Okay, what's the correct? How can we find the class boundaries?
Like you take half from the first number and give half to the other.
Okay, perfect. Subtract half from the lower limit and add half to the upper limit. Is it usually half?
Yes.
No.
Usually half?
No.
Why? Depends on what? Depends on the difference between the upper limit in the first set and the lower limit in the second set. Look at the difference between them. If the difference is 1, divide 1 by 2, so you will add and subtract 0.5. If the difference, for example, 0.1, so you will add and subtract what?
0.05.
0.0. Okay, is it clear? Okay, continue.
And the tally, we count the frequency
Of each group. Okay.
of each group. And
Cumulative.
cumulative frequency, we have the frequency, the first row, we put it the same. And when we have the frequency on the second row, we have frequency 1, we add 3 plus 1 equal 4.
Okay. What does it mean? The cumulative frequency of the second group, which is from 31 to 37, is 4. What does it mean?
Because
What does it mean? The cumulative frequency is 4. What does it mean?
because we have from 24 to 37 for frequency.
Okay, perfect. But in another word, if this data, for example, represent the student's mark in the exam, what does it mean? The cumulative frequency of the second group is 4. It means we have 4 students get 37 or less in the exam. Is it clear? Okay, continue. Now, the cumulative frequency must start with what and end with what?
The cumulative frequency must start with the frequency and end with the total of the frequency.
Okay, perfect.